Friends, I floated a mail to my students for what they want to learn in C++. One of my students wanted to understand this concept of escape sequences clearly. So I thought, let me give you a tip section on this. Actually, this is fairly simple, but unless you understand it in a good sense, then only it makes sense for you. I am writing a simple string literal. C++ is easy. Okay. And we used this new line character earlier. This is called escape sequence. The moment I give this backslash character and this followed by a special character, this is the escape sequence. So this will print C++ and a new line, and this will be in a new line. In certain operating systems, new line means exactly new line below the same row or a different row but same column, and then there we have to use new line as well as carriage return, because it means that cursor goes to the carriage goes to the first column, right? So we will use that also. C++ /r is easy, right? I'll put a full stop also, and L. So this is called new line char, new line escape sequence, or this is carriage return, right, which is also called the CR character, and this is the new line character, line feed character, some people call it LF character. This is CR and this is LF. Now we just see the results of these. This will be interesting. Okay, so let us run this. Yeah, this C++ is coming. Now here the C++ is gone, because after the carriage return character, the cursor has moved to first place again, and the rest of it is printed. That's why it is printing like this. And this is acting as new line as well as carriage return. So this often provides, in many operating systems, this provides new line as well as CR together. Actually, it inserts two characters, LF and CR, and this inserts only CR character. So that's why what happens, this gets printed first, but immediately after that carriage is returned to the first column. So from first column this I starts printing. I just see if I make this smaller, what will happen. This will show me C++, then carriage comes here, so IS++. C++, carriage comes back, so IS is printed. So now you must have understood that why carriage return has carriage return to the same line in the first column. Now we'll use other escape sequences as well. In this case, we'll use tab character. So tab is tabbing to certain number of specific predefined spaces. Those spaces are usually 8 columns by default. So this is tab /t. We'll make few other things also. I can put, say, I want to say, suppose put this in double quotes itself. So this double quote, if I put it here, this will terminate the string literal. So I'll have to use backslash double quote C++, then again backslash double quote, and then a space, and then is easy, right? So this is the way I can use double quote escape sequence. This is double quote. Similar rule applies for single quote as well, because single quote also is a special character because it depicts a character literal. So here I have to give again backslash, single quote, and this. So this is single quote. I can also use this for maybe question mark. In certain cases, the question mark is also a special character. So if I have to print this kind of thing, slash question. So backslash question will print actually just a question mark. So this is also a escape sequence. Question mark. I can also do thing about, say, backslash itself. Suppose I have to print backslash itself. I'll print something like the root path is C:/. If I do only slash, it will not be printed because this is a escape sequence character. So I'll have to put it twice. Right? So this is backslash itself. Front slash I can print. Right? And there is a special character for audible alarm. It works in certain systems. It may not work in all systems. Suppose I want to play a beep. In my system it should work. It's a Windows system. Beep here. Okay. So this should beep here. I must give and L here also. Beep here and L here also. So this is a audible alert. Right? There are two more escape sequences which are listed but not commonly used because they are primarily meant for printing. Printers, not on console devices. These are vertical tab. So vertical tab and the form feed character, which is actually going to next page on a printer. So /F is there. Form feed may not work. I'll just say it here because if some device is implementing a printing device and they want to use it, so they can use it. By default, it will not work. So this is vertical tab and form feed. Form feed is next page of printer. Vertical tab also works on printers. So these are the mostly used escape sequences. So let us see the result also. Here I am running it, building it, running it. So this will, this beep has also come. I think you must have heard that beep. So this I have explained to you, this new line character and the carriage return character. This is the tab character it is giving, this much space. And this is double quote, single quote use, and this is question mark use. This is single backslash printing, but I have to put double backslash while giving in the string literal. This is the beep thing. And it is giving just a special character here. Just the symbol which is there in the sky code, it is giving there. And it will not work. It will not give vertical tab here or the next page here because those concepts are not there on the console. So that's why most of the escape sequences now you have learned. Okay? Just watch this code carefully here again. New line, carriage return. This new line is actually giving both carriage return because I am working on a Windows system. Tab character, backslash double quote, backslash single quote, question mark, the backslash itself, beep, vertical tab and form feed. I will not be able to see result on screen. Okay.
Please like, share and subscribe.